How to create a Facebook page. Watch this video to learn this.
A Facebook page can be created from your Facebook profile or from your business manager. In order to create a page from your business manager, on the left go to pages and then add, create new page. If you'd like to create it from the Facebook profile, on your profile over here you're going to see pages. Then create page. A name is required. Name your page, put a category, write the description, and then create page. You will need to fill all this up as well. We'll need to put an image. So you will need to do better than this. These are just example. And then save. Put your WhatsApp number. Over here you need to fill up the username. You need to fill up your pages so that the pages come up in Facebook search result and in Google search result. So there are many things to fill up like this. All this needs to be filled up. And then you need to fill up all this for your page to be more visible. That is it. Follow me here and on other social media platform to watch more tips on Facebook ads.